Under the Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, if a buyer breaches a contract for the sale of goods, an aggrieved seller has multiple remedy options. In Firwood Manufacturing Company versus General Tire Incorporated, we explore one option, namely the recovery of resale damages. General Tire contracted to purchase 55 post-cure inflators from Firwood Manufacturing over 15 months. After purchasing 22 machines, General Tire decided not to purchase additional inflators. Initial efforts to locate replacement buyers were unsuccessful, but Firwood persisted with resale efforts for 3 years. It occasionally took parts from the machines to fill parts orders and later replaced them with identical parts. Eventually, Firwood resold all of the machines, although at a price less than that contracted for with General Tire. Firwood subsequently sued General Tire to recover the difference between the contract price and the resale price plus interest. The jury awarded Firwood almost $190,000 in resale damages and another $100,000 in interest. General Tire then moved for judgment as a matter of law, asking the court to overrule the jury's finding. It argued that under the UCC, Firwood couldn't recover resale damages because the resold machines included parts not present at the time of breach, and because resale 3 years after the breach wasn't commercially reasonable. General Tire also moved for remittitor, asking the court to reduce the jury's damages award by removing the interest, which it claimed was an unrecoverable consequential damage. The district court denied both motions, prompting General Tire to appeal to the Sixth Circuit.